welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about a situation. She's saying that basically that her life, she's living her life the way that she wants to. And she's okay with the way that she's living her life. She's saying that people are coming and watching how she's living her life, and they're no longer interested in watching, TV, but they want to see how her house looks. They want to see what she wears, her hairstyle. They want to see everything about her. And, she's saying she's living her life and that's the way it's going to be, because she's not going to allow others to live her life for her. She didn't live it the way that she wants to. And we know that we live our lives. So why not, Marcia? Live your life, girl, and be true to yourself as you are always. Now, we have to, live our lives the way that we want to. And this is what Marcia is saying, that she's living her life the way she wants to. And it's at her own speed and how she goes, basically. It's how it's gonna go because that's her life. She has to live it the way she wants to live it. So, guys, go and listen to what Marcia has to say and listen for more as she speaks. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, oh man, I want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout the year. And for all my other lovelies that are out there, I just want to wish you a wonderful day. And remember, guys, that Marcia has her stuff selling. Go check out her store. And have yourselves a wonderful day.
The people who call themselves holy and righteous, go look on them. We're not going over other pages. So are you the one who is coming up here keeping church? Are you the one up here keeping New Year's Eve party, Valentine's party, election party, all kind of party? No. Because what happened, you stop watch television. You want fasting in my life, is seen in my house. You want to see me hairstyle, you want to see me look at cheap clothes. Shut the fuck up and watch. You don't need to butt in and tell me nothing. The only reason why you people can get offended by when me a cuss out a boy and a girl is because your thoughts are the same way. But if you don't have no understanding in my situation or me deliberate, then una is the same thing like them. That is the way una think like them. Lot of una come over here and watch me, but una over there laughing after me. I mean, I know I won't laugh because my life is not laughable. My life is an inspiration, strong and bold, stress-free and independent, full of faith, hope, and hope, blessing and favor. My life is not a laughing stock. You can't laugh for me because I live the day at a time like everybody else. And I still have man to run me down. Me have man a chat, me have man per reserve, and me have man when me dating. How many people can say that? Me have man per reserve who like me have, and me have man when me a date. Me no in a no committed relationship with nobody. As him slip him slide. So me enjoying myself. That's the way it is. Me no know about uno, but as me say, me have people when me talk to, when me not sleep with them, and me try to get to know them better, and me have people when me talking to, where me and them go to do things, but me not in a committed relationship with nobody. He can get fired anytime. I can tell him anytime I say, listen, he done. Me, let's just be friends. Whether I'm like it or not. As long as you ain't paying this rent in this apartment where me in, me and you in no committed relationship. You understand? If you're paying this rent, give me a part of it, and my bills them that I have to pay, then me make a committed to you. But if you're not taking care of my responsibility, me in a fucking commitment. Me, in a no commitment at all. Whether I open or open not. Me a woman and you a man, you like me like you. Whatever happen, happen. Me in a no commitment with nobody. Me still searching. Cause enough man out here, they want them cake and eat it too. Can't work. It can't work. So if you don't want to make commitment to man who already been committed, a phone business. Whether in a concubine relationship or marriage. If you don't feel like say you don't want to come tell or put tie down man pa uno, I want me ring them. I let you know I want me ring them. Me I tie down by myself. Me still searching. So don't bother with me. Me telling already. Me not in a no commitment that a soul anything goes. Any man me have them supposed to there around me. If I'm a real man, he's supposed to come around me every evening. Yes, when he left work, he's supposed to come over here and eat dinner with me. If you're not come over here and eat dinner with me, and over here more than 4 or 5 times a week, I'm not your woman. Let me make that clear. If you're not come here, if you're not coming here, come eating dinner with me, or come here 5 days a week, I'm not your woman. Or 4 days, mending the resident. 2000 grading up right now. Season 6. That's how me see it. If me a woman, serious woman, and me in a solid relationship, when you left work, you can't bring clothes over here too. Inspiring actor. 2019 match in a series is 8th season. Allow me to tell ladies. Yes, you can bring a clothes over here, one look 2 look shirt. You can't go over here. When you left work, you can't drive right here. Bathroom is there for bathe. It's a bathroom right there, so go and go bathe. If you're single and free and disengaged, and you coming from work and you feel tired and you miss me, and you're so leave the world behind. No internet, no phone, no going back to normal. Who can you trust at the world end? Julia Roberts and Alicia All-Star in a pounding flame. Anybody watch that? Leave the world behind. Yeah, if me and you in a solid relationship, ladies, you agree with that? Come thumbs up, because we not put and put and lotion man too much. We not put too much emphasis on man and relationship. Some of us in a real relationship in a body. We just take it as we go. Any man who not going with steady and a phone man, him supposed to be around 5, 6 days, 5 days a week at least. If him there female and him single, and you single and you have a place to and him want to come by you and you going, him supposed, when he come from work, him supposed to stop by you in your dirty clothes and go up a sugar bed. Him supposed to come and dinner with you. If him a build something with you. Who agree with me, put a thumbs up. Who agree with me? Yes, who agree with me? A solid relationship. I get to know somebody better. Who agree with me? Wanna put up a thumbs up? Yes, if you're in us, if that is it, put a thumbs up. Don't be scared. Put a thumbs up. I'm something. Them supposed to be sitting when they come from work, the first priority is to come by you. If them not go that direction, depends on how far they live from your house. Or even they go and go bed and come right, I can eat dinner with you. Go in the supermarket and carry 2 fish come too. And start, if you talk broke man bad to when man are coming to tell them, say, listen, brethren, listen, because you can't take on the money and feed man, and them go to supermarket too. Any man will go to supermarket go buy grocery. You're supposed to, if you love a woman and you respect a woman, you come over a woman and come cook. If you go into the fish market, go buy 3 pound of snapper, you can't buy 3 pound too. Because if you come a fear yard, she'll get the best, she'll get the big fish in a plate and she'll get it. You go to the supermarket, you call her, babes, your juice finish? You have no juice in the fridge? A matter of fact, you're not supposed to ask one Ross. Buy it, carry come. Let me put it in the freezer. Buy it, carry come. You understand? If you come over our house and liquor today, all the time in a bar, you can't come and drink liquor. Buy 1 bottle of wine, come carry over 2. Because my houses always have liquor. Wine and all them sort of something there. Because me know me drink me little red wine and me champagne or whatever. You're not supposed to come over, come drink all the while. Carry a bottle in your hand. Come replace it. Because you come over all the time and take a little sip. Because most women, real good woman, They know that the man drink a little something. They are going to buy liquor and put in the house. And so you want, especially, babes, you want a drink? Go take a drink. Two of you can sit down there. While you drink a stone ginger wine, him can drink some Hennessy and some cranberry or Coke or Bacardi or whatever. It one can sit down, so it one can feel nice and hug up and smush up and whatever it is and cut the tension. But him supposed to replace the bottle. He's not supposed to come over and drink out a bar. He's supposed to come one evening and put on one buckle. So we don't have to talk. If you no boy, I tell you, no, I can't take a mean people in. And somebody might call, babes, what you cooking this evening? Where the bubble clock money if you cook bickle? Where's the money for cook bickle? Did you provide any money for buy bickle, but you come ask what you cooking this evening? What make you not come carry me for dinner? The time you call me, ask me if what I'm cooking. Why don't you say, babes, you know me I come over with 2 fish. Let's steam it for me, you know. And why don't you come over? You not can cook too in a Jamaican too. Come in the kitchen, come cook the food too. And make me sit down once while. So you want to sit down and name cook big fish, give you your name and burp, and then you come frig me at the same time in the night feed, go fish them. What happened? You can't make me go taste for your hand too. Why make me have to cook all the while? If any man me serious with them, I come in for cook in the kitchen. Me tap them sort of fuck with it. They want to come sit down like a goddess. Because when mama brought them bad. Me brought man bad all over the years. Me nah brought no man bad in my 50s. Me sorry. You have to treat me good and proper. Me nah walk in my mama footstep again a man a big piece of chicken and big fish and me take a little piece of chicken. The two of which chicken are slice same size. Me nah give you 3 pieces of chicken and me take 1. For worries. Them the days, they are done days. You remember growing up in the house, the man get the big breast and we get chicken foot and chicken leg. While breasts in a plate. A man not even a treat no mama good. Them they are beat up on a mama kind of licking and a disrespect. And big food in a chalk plate, separation and this all kind of separation, nothing. They don't even marry them. That's how me treat man back in the days. But them the man they not treat me good. So me can't complain, really. But them a man nowadays, them not deserve them a treatment there. Because them not doing what them supposed to do. So you're not doing what them supposed to do. Let them go and fire them bumbleclot. Fire them. Once you are struggling out there by yourself and doing what you're supposed to do, fire them. Fire them. And go live in a life. It don't make no sense. Let me see how much movie I want to watch. No sense whatsoever. I mean, I don't care who want bex and who no want bex. You treat me good, me treat you good. I don't want to watch a movie. I go and pan it.
And what I think is the most interesting structure on the side.
You treat me good, me I treat you good. Me not make nobody take no advantage of me. Belly not, yeah not, nothing, they not take no bet, they not take no, I wish about that pretty so. Me not make nobody take no advantage of me. I could have weigh 400 or 500 pounds. No boy not take no advantage of Marcia. No way. Me come too far by myself. As Tyler Perry movie that say, I can do bad by myself. Me know how me look. You don't have to tell me. Me look in the mirror. You have to accept me for what me is. And you must meet the requirement. The standard rules and regulation of what I require. And it's not much. And if you cannot treat me that way, then it don't make no sense. It's not, you don't have to give me the world. But give me respect, love, and affection, and give me something. We know so we ain't find a rich man out there. But you have to step up your games. Fire them. Don't wanna keep on spoiling these man. And this is pretty. That's a long pool. Wow. That's a long pool. Yes. Don't spoil them. So you can't stay there. So when time you see me out the road, anyone on the man see me, nobody call to me. Uno don't bother call to me if you no mean me no good. Uno no bother call to me. Uno don't bother holler at me if you don't want to get to know me. If you're not too mean, don't bother call to me. Morning. If you not want to carry me, if you not go out, if you not a man will go out, don't call to me. If you not want to, me love movie, I love dinner, I love travel, I love to be affectionate, me love a good conversation, I love all of that. If you can't ready for that, don't call to me. Don't call to me. Don't call to me. If you're boring, don't call to me. If you're too picky, don't call to me. Oh, that is so beautiful. I wish about that. With Marilyn Monroe, if I turn on the ET, it is too hot in here. I turn it on 80. And if I turn it down. That's why I stuff. If you're not spontaneous, don't call to me. Mm-hmm. If you're freaky, don't call to me. Mm-hmm. No bother with me. Because I mean, no freaky business. Me just traditional love maker. Uh-huh. Me is a traditional love maker. Me not, if you're in your freakiness, don't come to me with it. You have to go find somebody else. Not me. Uh-huh. Not me, honey. I never play. Let me go turn on that heater. I will come over so let me see face. What can I see? What kind of face? It's my words that say more powerful than my face. The words. When you listen to the radio station at Jamaica and America, you see any face? When you go up on YouTube and the illustration and read Bible verse, you see no face? Sometimes when you go all if confession to the confession at church behind closed door, you not even see the man we are talk to behind there. When you are going to the Catholic church, you not even sometimes I don't even know if you see the Pope, the what you call him, in a confession booth. You sit down and go say, "Oh Father, forgive me." All them is their foolishness. I talk to man. You understand? You not even know if indeed they feel up himself behind there. You don't know. So then how much time in go in a life I want to see no face? How many places I go? When you go in front of the machine and tell the machine to give you money, and I talk to the machine I show your face, but the machine asks you how much money you want and put in it. You don't see no face. Love is the key to all access. Love is the key to all access. But love is the key to all access. But which love? Not the love of man. The love of the Almighty God. So love is the key to all access. But all access is through Jesus Christ, who strengthens us in the Spirit, the Son, the Father, and the Holy Ghost. Love is not the key to all access to immortality in man. It's in the Father. That affirm love is all access to everything. But this love down here is dead without faith. How many of us married? Relationship, them say them love and what happened? So we have to know who you're talking to when it comes to love. Love is God and God is love. And the only access, all love access we have is when we find ourselves committed in the Lord. And then we can beat anything with true love. And the only love that we have is eternal love. The love of Jesus Christ. Yes, so love is God. The reason why my conversation is like this tonight is because of the experience that I have as a single black woman and not having the foundation in life to get the help that I want as a woman, because man is so into themselves, broken-hearted in all kind of ways, disappointed in what woman has done to them, or even them trying to figure themselves out. So because